I grew up on a farm in India. I did see a lot of issues with the food spoilage, like not only grain, but even the fruits and vegetables. And I always used to wonder, there must be something which can be done. So then when I finished my undergraduate degree, I decided to pursue agriculture engineering. It certainly is a very critical issue for the society. Even today, we lose globally 1/3 of the food we produce. Keeping in mind that the food we produce takes resources, takes land preparation, takes the fuel, takes the fertilizers, the water. If we can save what we have produced, you can feed another 1/3 of the world population. We don't have to produce more to feed the world population if we can save what we have produced. My research program has always focused on trying to understand the needs of the farmers and then come up with the research program which would solve those problems. Biggest challenge from research perspective is trying to understand that interaction between the biology and the physical phenomena. And then engineering aspect comes in is then how we develop solutions to manipulate the physical environment in a way that the product doesn't spoil. The typical systems which are currently used on the farms is that they force air in a vertical direction. When you start filling them from the top, they line their major axis in the horizontal directions. So this seems to create a much easier path for air to move easier in the horizontal direction. So I started measuring the resistance to air flow in the by forcing air in the vertical direction and then in the horizontal direction. And then I conceptualized that we should be designing drying systems by forcing air horizontally. And with that, there were a couple of advantages of that. The one would be it would require less energy because there's less resistance for the fan to overcome. And now many companies in Canada market horizontal airflow drying systems in China. I think globally I would say I'm proud of is that the research results which have come out over the 40-year or so academic career are being used to reduce the both qualitative and quantitative losses of grains worldwide. Another aspect I would say is I have trained over 100 graduate students and postdoctoral fellows. Almost all of them are working in preserving grains around the world. So they are having impact in their own way and applying that knowledge they had learned from me. At least to me, that's very satisfying that the research I have done is being used and is used globally to reduce the losses.